Good morning. My name is Charlotte Mario from the sixth grade. I'm going to introduce our sixth grade performance for the assembly. We have prepared two songs, Careless Whisper by George Michael and Andrew Ridgely, and American Patrol by Frank W. Beacham. We have Logan playing piano from his house, and the whole class will play with it. Right after Careless Whisper ends, we will quickly move on to American Patrol.
Hi, my name is Saf speaking from 6th grade, and I'll introduce American Patrol. The concert arrangement opens with a very soft and uncomplicated drum cadence, simulating their approach of a military patrol on guard duty. The first melody, which is original of Maychem, begins quietly and gradually increases in intensity. Please enjoy the performance.
That was beautiful. Thank you so much. I want to just say a few words about the 6th grade class this year, because they have had their class teacher coming over the screen for the entire year, which is not an easy thing to do, but thank you to Frau Szymanski and she is here, Stephanie Ramirez. There she is. Teamwork was the name of the game. And as you experienced every now and then, 6th grade, how things can get a little bit bumpy along the way, such as life, right? It's messy sometimes, but I think it's through teamwork that you come together. And I really see that. This class has welcomed in many new students this year and have been warmly welcomed. And this is a group that I feel has a tremendous amount of love for their classmates and for their teachers, and it will only get better as I promote you into 7th grade.